Hello YouTube, hello everyone, hello the world. So today is a look at this link between two sketches in the forum. This was brought to me by Polly in the forum. She's somewhere down here. Polly right here. She sent me the link, and so it's the link between two sketches, and they are trying to see how they can manipulate, if I understand correctly, if they can manipulate two different sketches with one control or something along those lines. I already kind of read through everything, and so I kind of got an idea of what's going on, but not exactly very well because some places the questions are not exactly clear. But let's get to Iccioloste. Iccio sounds Italian. Hello everyone, I've been working with FreeCAD for a few years now, but I'm trying to get better knowledge of its potential. One of the crucial points I'm trying to understand is how to link different sketches with dimensional constraint. For example, I'm modeling concrete building. In the first sketch, I modeled the columns, okay. In the second sketch, I modeled the slab. And then in the third, I modeled the beam. I like to link the slab plan dimension to the distance between uh, the column. Okay. I like to link the slab plan dimension to the distance between the column. In the first sketch, I named the distance of the constraint between the column. When I move the second sketch, I want to give the slab the equal distance to the column between the two columns. I fail to recall the property of this. What am I missing? What am I going wrong? Alright, man. I mean, I'm not very sure what all this crazy calculation is all about. But, let's see. Okay, so what did Poli tell him to do here? This thing's sometimes still confuses me a bit. Okay, basically, here's your file that I downloaded here. Okay, so let's take a look at it very quickly. So in your file, what is this? Okay, that's that structure, and that's the sketch. And what is that? That's the columns. Okay, and then you have the pillar. I'm not sure why you extruded this. You could have just gone from this step to this step directly. Okay, so, and then you have your structure. Okay, so these are the two sketches we're working with. Okay, so let me see what's going on here. So you have this whole length 5, this is 2.5, and this is 15. And here you have can't see what's going on. Okay, so 15 is it? Okay. Close that. Let me hide this. So this is the guy you want to move along with this sketch, if I understand correctly. So I'm gonna double click here, and see what you did. Okay. So what happens when I move one of these dimensions? Three. Okay, so it's not connected. Two 2.5. And 3 here as well. On this side it is connected. So I'm not very sure what your question is, because it seems that on this side it is connected, but let's just assume that I wanted to create a slab on with the sketch tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to Sketcher, new sketch on the XY, okay, and I'm going to select this, create an edge linked, and probably acquire that, this, this, that, that, and that. Okay, so now I can draw my boxes. And I'll use this constraint to create a coincidental constraint here. So I check this point and I check this, like that. I check this point and I check this. I check this one and I check this. I check this. I check that. So that even if the thickness of the columns changed, you know, it's the width is going to change along with it. The slab thickness will change along with it. Okay. And close that. Now I can select this initial slab you have here. Come to its data and give it a sketch 02. So that will be so if ever I were to, let's say, change my base sketch, let's say this became 20. Close that. Where are the columns? So this sketch, I'm gonna delete this one like this, and I'm going to make okay. Well, what I'm gonna do is I can give this a dimension like this. Put 0. Okay, so that means that, for example, if I wanted to change this, zero, and I can change that to 15. Okay, so I think that that's the way you do that. I think that answers that question. So that's it for this tutorial. Until then, see you next time.